Hello, my name is Joey Remp, and today I will be going over assignment 4.1 in my Fundamentals of Network Engineering 2 class, and that is to configure SNMP for network monitoring and configuration. So, the simple network management protocol is just kind of a method for collecting network information. Really what we did was just use the PC to give the router a name. So if we look at the router, I currently have it named assignment 4.1 router, but we'll also just, because of how easy it is, we'll just quick go in and change it and show that off. So if we go into our PC and under desktop, we'll go to MIB browser. This IP address up above, the 192.168.10.1, is what I had set for the router's IP address. So if we go through this MIB tree and click through a bunch of options here, we'll eventually come to the system and the system name. Now this is already filled out up here at the OID because obviously we've set it up before and had to see if it works. But if we hit get, we can see that the value here is the assignment 4.1 router. And to change that, we just go here to set. Change this guy to the octet string, and we could change it to hello router, or we can just change it to a big mess of text. I don't really like doing that. It kind of drives me crazy. We'll just name it we'll name it new router and hit OK here and hit go. So as you saw, the 4.1 router changed to new router, and if we come up here where it says assignment 4.1 router, if we hit enter, now it says new router. So it's a pretty easy and pretty neat assignment that you're able to do those communications between the router and the computer. But lastly, we were asked to answer 3 quick questions. First of all, what is SNMP? So SNMP is Simple Network Management Protocol and is an internet standard protocol used to manage and monitor network devices like routers, switches, servers, printers, and more. It works by sending protocol data units to various devices on the network and receives messages called SNMP traps from those devices. It operates mainly on the application layer of the OSI model. The other question was, what is an octet string in SNMP? An octet string is a data type used to represent a sequence of octets or bytes. It is typically used to store textual information or binary data in SNMP messages. An octet string can contain any sequence of bytes, including non-printable characters, making it flexible for various types of data. So obviously here we used it for the name of the router. And finally, what do the read and write permissions do in SNMP? The read permissions allow a network management system to retrieve or read information from SNMP-enabled devices. This includes querying the devices for status updates, configuration details, or other monitored data. And then the write permissions allow a network management system to change or write settings on SNMP-enabled devices. This can include updating configuration settings, controlling device behavior, or making other administrative changes. So yeah, this was the assignment. Again, it was pretty simple getting to be able to change that information there, and it was pretty neat how like I said, how you're able to do those communications between the PC and the router. So I thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.